speech from President Murphy, followed by Bishop Samuel L. Green, the Honorable Ivy Thigpen, Ms. Sue Berkowitz, Ms. Naomi Lett, and Reverend Nelson B. Rivers III, in that order.
Good morning. First, let me apologize for some of the difficulty and challenges that you've had this morning in terms of coming in to see our leader. You know, we are very much appreciative that she is here to be with us, and this is a historical moment. A historical moment. But I do want it to be a good memory for you as well. So we have the choir that's coming in that needs to be in the first two rows. So if there's someone that's sitting in the first two rows, we're going to ask that you kind of shift back in order for the choir to be where they need to be, because they have to sing. Unless you're singing, you should not be on those first two rows, okay? Thank you. I would like to welcome you to this MLK celebration and to say the Lord looked upon us today because we thought we were going to have rain. And it's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is.
It's not too cold. Much work to do. It doesn't stop today. And I'm going to be brief because I'm supposed to only have 2 minutes, and we're already behind schedule. But we have got to come together and do the work that we need to do in order to make not only the